In this video, I will cover the importance of honeybees in pollination and food production, the environmental risks to honeybees, and what we as individuals can do to protect them. Honeybees pollinate 80% of all flowering plants. They are also responsible for pollinating over a third of our food supply. These little animals are a huge part of the food chain, basically providing the herbivores with food. Honeybee products such as honey, propolis, royal jelly, and beeswax contain valuable medicinal properties. Many crops are completely reliant on pollinators and would utterly collapse without the assistance of honeybees. Without bees, the availability and diversity of fresh produce would decline considerably. And, needless to say, should this dreaded thing occur, beekeepers and others involved in bees and their products would lose their source of income. Farming practices greatly affect the bees. The use of harmful pesticides can collapse entire colonies. They make bees more susceptible to disease, affect their ability to navigate properly, and kill countless numbers. Another big problem is monoculture. These crops demand an increased need for pesticides, and the lack of diversity creates poor immune systems in bees. And monoculture is extremely dependent on cross-country hive transportation, which is another risk factor. Cross-country hive transportation takes its toll on bees, disrupting their foraging patterns and exposing them to new pests and diseases. And finally, there is the varroa mite, which is considered the #1 enemy of honeybees. These disgusting creatures attach themselves to honeybees' bodies and then proceed to suck on their blood and transmit viruses. We can use bee-friendly pesticides and encourage others to do the same. Treat our hives regularly to ensure protection against mites. Plant wildflowers in ditches and bee-friendly flowers next to our homes. Diversify our crops and plant cover crops. Encourage people to become beekeepers. There are so many things we can do to help the bees. Let's start today. Even the simple act of creating a post or writing an essay or making a video like this one to inform people what's happening to our bees and what a vital part they play on our planet could go a long way.